Login loop error on Iwoca Business Fix. If your Iwoca business account keeps looping you back to the login page, you know how frustrating it can be, especially when you need quick access to your business funding. Most people assume the problem is on Iwoca's side, but here's the surprising truth. It's almost always a local issue caused by cached data, expired sessions, or browser settings. Let's fix it step by step. First, close the Iwoca app or browser completely. If you're using the app on Android, go to Settings, find Apps, tap Iwoca, and select Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe it away from the multitasking view. Next, clear your cache. Android users can go to Storage and hit Clear Cache. iPhone users should delete and reinstall the app, which resets all stored login files. Now, check for updates. Open your App Store or Google Play and make sure the Iwoca app is fully up to date. Older versions sometimes fail to communicate properly with Iwoca's latest login servers. If you use Iwoca through a browser, clear your cookies and cached data. Outdated session tokens often cause infinite login loops because the browser keeps trying to reuse old authentication data. If you're still stuck, switch your connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Some networks block secure redirect URLs that Iwoca uses for verification. Disable password managers or autofill tools just for this login attempt. These tools can sometimes paste old or incorrectly formatted credentials that trigger a login loop. Finally, restart your device and try again. After this reset, most users are able to log in smoothly without any issues. So next time you face the Iwoca business login loop, don't stress. It's not your account or credentials, it's simply your device holding onto outdated session data. Clear it, refresh your connection, and you'll regain access to your business dashboard in moments.